Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm currently at Dulwich Hill. To start off with, we have C2 and C13 chopper sets for a service to the city circle. It's not too common to see C-sets around, as there's only 14 of them, and there's 2 of them right there. Fun fact about C-sets are that they're pretty much a prototype of the Tangara. They don't look like Tangaras, obviously, no shit, but they have a lot of the components, like the chopper motors and the extremely uncomfortable seats, and other things like that. Just across the tracks over there we have an Urbos 3 tram. No, this is not a tram vlog, I'm just showing you guys that the Dulwich Hill light rail stop is just across there, for those of you who aren't in the state or in the country, and for those who don't know. So Dulwich Hill's kind of a good place for train spotting and also tram spotting. We have a Waratah set arriving into platform number 2. This is a Liverpool service via Bankstown and Sefton. Waratah A62. We have a freight train with 3 C classes leading. And A62 is departing for the Liverpool service via Sefton. City Circle service, M-Set M32 leading into platform number 1. M11 trailing. We've got some MZ classes leading a container train. We have S103 leading an S set into platform number 2. S103 and friend departing platform number 2 for a service to Bankstown and onwards. S12 was the rear set. City Circle service arriving into platform 1. It is Waratah A26.
If you wasn't paying attention, we've got a 26 departing platform number 1 City Circle service.
M-set arriving into platform 2, M14 is leading. This train's going to Liverpool via Bankstown.
Doors closing, please stand clear.
M14 and M17 departing platform number 1. Oh, sorry, platform number 2. Liverpool service.
The rear 4 cars were M17. We have some C-sets arriving into platform 2. C2 and C13, Lidcombe service. K60 leading a service into platform 1 for the city circle. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Bye for now.